Ndugamano igie muigana wa kigina kiria thirikari cia kaunti cikuheo riguthiraga yatira thutha wa bunge ya Senate kurega kuhitukia watho wigie ugai wa mbeca icio. Ngucanio ino yumanite na ikinya ria bunge ya kibururi kunyihia mbeca iria cibatie kuheo counties kuma ciringi bilioni 314 iria yendaga nginyagia ciringi bilioni 291. Na arita njira ya kunina ndugamano eno, kamiti ya CRA ni uritie abunge maiguithanirie kuhitukia watho ucio gutigirira Mihang'o ya kaunti guothe bururi-ini ndina tharara ni wagi wa mbeca. Kuringana na muikariri giti wa kamiti yo Jane Kiringai, kamiti yake yendekithĩtie kaunti ciheo ciringi bilioni 323. Kiringai oigite hari bata abunge matacukie ikinya ria naihenya na mahitukie watho mbere ya giikaro kia bunge gikinye muthia muthenya wa rucio.
The Commission strongly recommends that both houses of Parliament reconsider the hard positions and negotiate a mediated allocation to counties that lies between the National Treasury recommendation of 299 billion and the Senate provision of Kenya shillings 314 billion. This will also pave way for the enactment of the County Allocation of Revenue Bill 2017.
Francis Kamau ni mutaramu wa maundu megie ungania wa magoti kuma kambuni ya Ernst & Young na aroiga wona ndugamano eno yathie na mbere, minister wa kigina no athie na mbere kungania igoti no ndagirekereria kigina githie kaunti-ini.
We have a finance bill which of course is dated April. From April, the minister has been given provisional powers to collect taxes and duties, and that provisional power he has for a period ranging from 4 to 6 months.
Kugina kuo thiini wa bunge ya Senate, Senator wa Nyandarua Murioki Karue ni oigire hari bata wa gucenjia watho na kuhe Senate hinya uria wagiriire kurigiriria ndugamano ta iria iho.
To establish Senate sort of in a hurry, such that we have been labeling in this house to call this house an upper house, but you can obviously see there is no substance to it.
Na matigarite mathaa manini tu giikaro kia bunge ya 11 gikinye muthia, Akenya ni metereire na kinyikana atongoria aya ni mekuiguana na mahitukie watho uyu wa bata. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.